Are you guys ready to see some tricks? Okay, we're going to see some tricks now. All right, here we go. Trick number one, coming up in 3, 2, 1. For him to hit the audience. He's got the helmet on. The wearing lights real loud. But I reckon if we get everyone clapping and cheering at the same time, he might just be able to hear us. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go 3, 2, 1. And on one, I want all of you guys that are absolutely bananas. Are we going to do? Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Do I have any requests? Backflip. You guys want to see a backflip? What about over here? You guys want to see backflip too? Alright, one backflip. Coming up in 3, 2, 1. Please keep that round of applause going. As we welcome back to the stage all our amazing performers here at Circus Rio. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you've been an absolutely fantastic audience. It's an absolute pleasure to be here at Woodgrove. Now please, if you did like the show, do tell your friends.